So guys, for the first step, you want to make sure you have Microsoft Teams fully closed. Now to do that, in the bottom right of our taskbar, you want to click on the arrow. Now you want to find Microsoft Teams, you want to right click on it, and then click on Quit Teams, which will now fully close Microsoft Teams. And now for the next step, you want to head over to search again and type in Add Remove Programs. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to find Microsoft Teams. We're going to scroll down until we find Microsoft Teams. Here it is. You want to click on the three dots and then click on Uninstall. Then you want to uninstall Microsoft Teams. Now for the next step, you want to head over to search and type in %appdata %sign. Click on it, and now this will come up. Now once you're on this, you want to scroll down till we find Microsoft. You want to double click on Microsoft. Now we're going to find Teams. We're going to scroll down again till we find Teams. You want to delete this folder, so you want to delete it. Now we're going to head over to search again and type in run. Click on it, and now you want to type in %sign program data %sign. Click on enter. And now this will come up. We're going to scroll down again. And if you have Teams in this folder as well, you want to delete it. So you want to delete Teams. And now for the last step, you just want to re-download Microsoft Teams. I'll leave a link to it down below in the description. And then once you download and install Teams again, the problem should now be fixed.